O, asan na? Balita ko may nanghanap sa akin na isang Jejemon. Yung Jejemon Tulfo na yan, hinahanap ako. Asa na siya? Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, hoy. Isa pang hoy. At isa pang hoy! Kung akala mo natakot ako sa'yo, Jejemon Tulfo, I am not scared because I am here to promote an all-out war against you. Jejemon, you. Huh. My God! Kung akala mo na natakot ako, I am not scared at all. Hindi ako takot at sinasabi niyo, sikat kayo. Jejemon, hindi kayo sikat. Because I asked my social friends kung sino kayo. Ang sabi nila, huh? Duh? Whatever? Hindi kayo sikat. Ako si Jeje Lazaro na Jeje Buster. Sikat. Sumalib na sa akin ang DepEd. Department of Education. Kaya niyo yon? Ang mga teachers, sumalib na rin. Ang constituents, ang father, ang mother, ang brother, at ang sister na nag-brush ng teeth. Lahat sumalib na sa akin. Hindi ba? Sinasabi niyo, wag ko kayong pakialaman. Pwes, kung ayaw niyo pakialaman ko kayo, don't loiter and don't litter. Don't loiter, wag kayong magpakalat-kalat. At wag kayong mag-litter, wag kayong magkalat ng mga lahi niyo. Wag sa Pilipinas. Ang sabi niyo, meron kayong fashion sense. Paano kayo magkakaroon ng fashion sense? Fashion wala kayo? Sense pa kaya? Kasi ang mali sa inyo, you match. We don't match, mga socials. We coordinate. If you coordinate pink and fuchsia, you call it pink fuchsia. If you coordinate yellow and blue, you call it blue-yellow. If you coordinate black and white, you call it ebony and ivory. Pag kayo nag-match, checkered to checkered, mukha kayong mantel. Nung sa araw, may nag-match stripes at stripes, mukha kayong intermediate pad paper. Hindi pala kontento, nag-big stripes at big stripes, mukha kayong pedestrian lane. At kayo, di ba, sabi nyo, you reinvent the language. You don't reinvent the language because if you reinvent something, you should not forget the root of the invention. Kami, we don't say sister, we say sister. We don't say brother, we say brother. We don't say cousin, we say cuz. Kaya pa nag-usap kami, hey sis, hey bro, where's cuz? Oh, with mother and father. Social. Eh kayong mga Jejemon, pag nag-usap kayo, iyo po, musta po, okay naman po.
Lagi ka.
At hindi lang yan, I heard, yung Jejemon Tulfo na yan, namimigay ng cup. Nakakaloka, namimigay ng cup. At meron daw na-convert na Jejemon dito. Sino ba yon? Sino ba yon? Come here. Tomas, I heard na-convert ito in... Oh my God! You are such an ugly Jejemon. But don't worry. Don't worry. I will convert you into an ugly Jeje Buster. Okay? Meron akong invention. Ang tawag dito, anti-Jejemon cologne. Pag in-spray ko to, mawawala. Musta ka na? How are you?
Oh!
Ay, my God. Pati mga hayop nagiging Jejemon. Nakakaloka. Sige, try natin. I will spray this to you, okay? Speak up.
Ayo po.
Isa pa. Double dosage. Okay?
Stand up po kayo.
Isa pa. Sige pa. Oh.
Aja.
My God, this severe case of Jejemon. Last na to, last.
Hey, sister.
Oh my God!
How are you doing?
Oh, you're so shy.
I miss you, my daughter.
I love it. I
man.
love it. See? So talagang papalitan ko ang buong pagkatao mo. Next time, I will give you a facial.
Oh, you'll give me a facial. What
Yeah.
kind of facial?
Facial removal. Yung ulo mo, gagawin kong ulo ng pusa. At hindi lang yan, I heard yung Jejemon daw, may dance. May Jejemon dance, tama ba yon? Oh my God, kami mga social, we don't dance. We don't wanna perspire. We don't dance, we just wiggle and glide.
Like.
Come on, cheer. Jeje Buster.
Jeje.
Follow me. Wiggle, wiggle, and glide, and glide. Wiggle, wiggle, and glide.
And glad.
Wiggle, wiggle, and glide. Bye-bye. Wiggle, wiggle.